All right, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaking in an interview to Bloomberg News just a little while ago, saying that she's still in favor of 50 basis point hikes going forward here, that there's no reason to alter course here from that trajectory, at least over the next two meetings, and says that 75 basis points, while that has been a subject of speculation, it is not a primary consideration. In her words, she also says that she would like to see a continued tightening of financial conditions. Once again, this is the San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, who spoke in an exclusive interview with Catarina Saraiva, a Bloomberg News Federal Reserve reporter. And I'm pleased to say Catarina is joining us right now on the phone to talk a little bit more about this. Catarina, she's taking 75 basis points as maybe being a little bit too aggressive, but she seems to be saying that 50 basis points has been communicated by Jay Powell already, seems appropriate for at least two more meetings. Did she explain why?
Yeah, I mean, in her mind, the economy is in a really strong place. So she thinks that 50 basis points is something the economy can withstand. And, you know, especially given the high inflation readings we're getting right now, she thinks it's something that's necessary to try to tame that.
She doesn't vote on the FOMC decisions this year, right? So how much is this sort of talking, trying to, lead where others are currently not giving enough explanation to the market? What role is she fulfilling here, Catarina?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think the Fed is coming out kind of guns blazing in terms of trying to get as much communication out there to markets as possible. They want it to be a very transparent process. They don't want to spook markets. So I think they're trying to get everyone out there talking, which we've certainly seen this week. And I think President Daly's voice adds to that as well.
We're coming off of PPI this morning that was strong, CPI data yesterday that was strong. And she's saying, though, that it's not very surprising. Is this a Federal Reserve who's no longer surprised at 8 prints on CPI?
I guess, you know, they're probably just looking at things every single month, and they probably were not expecting, you know, a huge slowdown this month. They only just started raising rates in March, and as she expressed as well, it takes a little bit of time for these things to filter through into the real economy.